We'll guide you through how to install the OpenAI Codex on Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We're now handing the video over to Pausa, who's going to continue.
First, just go ahead and open VS Code on your device, and then once that it is opened, at the left hand side, you will see a extensions icon. Just go ahead and click on that, and in the search bar, just go ahead and search for Codex and hit enter. Now here, you will see many codecs, but just go with the OpenAI. So just click on that and click on install, and just wait for the installation to complete. Now, once that it is installed, you will see Codex at the top right. Just go ahead and click on that. Now here, you can sign in with your ChatGPT or use API. So I'm just gonna go ahead and sign in with ChatGPT, and your browser will open automatically. Now here, just go ahead and choose your login account and sign in. Once signed in, just go ahead and open VS Code, and then just go ahead and click on next. Click on next. Click on next. You can now use the chat box to ask question, explain code, generate code, or even create entire project. You can also maximize by clicking on the maximize icon just like so. One thing to note is that you do not need a separate Codex subscription. You can simply sign in with your ChatGPT account. Even free ChatGPT account can use Codex, although usage limit may vary depending on your plan. And that's it. That's how you install OpenAI Codex in Visual Studio Code. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials.